present simple in the timeline. So from the past, present, into the future, where is the present simple? Where does the present simple exist? The present simple exists everywhere because it's repeated actions. It's talking about repeated actions, regular actions or usual actions. That's everywhere. I play football every day. Every day here talks about yesterday. I played football yesterday and I will play football tomorrow. When I'm talking about timetable, when I say that the class starts at 9 a.m. It starts at 9 a.m. today, and it started already at 9 a.m. yesterday, and it will start tomorrow at 9 a.m. So present simple exists everywhere.